I'm sure you've heard the news. The Hisense Vidda C5 Master is shaking up the projector world. But is it really worth dropping $3,000? Let's get straight to the verdict. Here's the quick scoop. The Vidda C5 Boundless Master is a beast. Think 6,800 lumens bright, covering 110% of the BT22 2020 color space. Translation? Your movies look vivid even with the lights on. Plus, true 4K resolution and a native 8001 contrast ratio mean you get detail and depth that'll make your old TV jealous. Gamers, you're covered too. 240 Hz refresh, 1 ms response. This thing keeps up with next-gen consoles, no sweat, and you don't even need a soundbar. The built-in JBL system fills the room. But heads up, it's China only for now, so you'll have to import. And the menus might sneak in some Chinese here and there. And yeah, the price is steep. Think $2,000 to $3,500 depending on where you snag it. Bottom line? If you want a flagship home theater that outshines any TV, the C5 Master is worth every penny. Just don't expect it to be cheap or hassle.